Bandwidth Management in Routers for the DHCP Protocol, Reviewing the Best. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The terms bandwidth and data rate are frequently used interchangeably in the field of telecommunications, which can make things somewhat unclear at times. Bandwidth management with static IP is much easier than the DHCP protocol. Without a Wi-Fi router, in DHCP, the IP changes when the main system, router, is powered on every time, and the bandwidth associated with the previous IP also changes. This paper describes the problems and techniques of the previously described two papers and has tried to solve the bandwidth distribution process during the system's operation in DHCP. It has been found that though routers operate on IPs, it seems logical, but costly and experimentally very hard to implement, and bandwidth management for the DHCP protocol needs a manageable switch for binding MAC addresses with bandwidth segments of each device on its ports. In conclusion, DHCP protocol has much more difficulty with IP conflict issues, but also has the advantage also in adding devices without giving it an IP. Bandwidth management in static routers and in static switches is much easier than DHCP. Wi-Fi is not only used to connect devices like smartphones, laptops, and smart home systems, it's also becoming a useful tool for sensing the environment, thanks to its ability to penetrate walls and maintain user privacy. Wi-Fi technology operates mostly in the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency ranges, and using antennas that can handle both bands helps ensure faster speeds and less interference. In networking, the terms bandwidth and data rate often get confused. Simply put, bandwidth is the maximum amount of data that can be transmitted in a second, while data rate is how fast that data is actually being sent or received. Managing bandwidth across networks, especially between routers and PCs, is important to ensure stable and fair internet access. In networks where IP addresses are given out manually, static IP, bandwidth control is easier. However, when a network uses automatic IP assignment, DHCP, it becomes harder to manage bandwidth for specific devices. This is because IP addresses change and may even cause conflicts if not managed properly. This paper aims to explore how bandwidth can be better controlled in networks using DHCP by testing new methods in a lab environment before considering wider use. The goal is to improve network performance and prevent issues with unfair or inefficient bandwidth distribution. In big business areas, the DHCP protocol has much more difficulty with IP conflict issues, but also has the advantage also in adding devices without giving it an IP. Bandwidth management in static routers and in static switches is much easier than DHCP. However, we have to resolve the issue of bandwidth management in the DHCP protocol. In this regard, this paper justifies the distribution of bandwidth management in routers in a concise and precise way as compared with the previously published two papers. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.